My name is Scott Taylor. I'm a partner and chief architect at CastleHill Software, and I am the designer and chief maintainer of Estrelica.Core. Estrelica.Core is a utility, a tool that's meant to assist anyone who's trying to do Archer integration by essentially getting rid of all of the grunt work and presenting everything that's in Archer in a .NET object model that is much easier to program against. Estrelica.Core speeds up development by hiding all details of Archer's APIs, all of the idiosyncrasies, the pain points, the strange behaviors that it does under some circumstances, and instead presents the developer with a virtual object graph that represents all of the entities that are inside of Archer, metadata, content, etc., in a strongly typed fashion so that all properties on those entities are exposed through IntelliSense in Visual Studio. It makes it very easy so that when you're trying to get from one point to another, trying to get from an application to the cross-reference fields that it contains, all of that is very simple, just with dotted notation, using link queries, that sort of things, against a standard .NET object model. No reason to even think about the fact that there's an Archer API that's being called in the background. One of the things we've used Estrelica.Core for internally is to develop the user access processor application. That's one of our demo applications that's available as part of the Estrelica.Core public solution on our website. And what that does is it works in conjunction with a workflow-enabled application within Archer, the user access request application. And that application allows users to request addition or removal from different groups within Archer. Then it goes through workflow, allows a manager to approve or deny requests, etc. And then once that workflow process has completed, once it's reached the ready for implementation stage, this external app, the user access processor, comes in, it iterates through all of the active and not yet implemented requests, then asserts, adds, and removes users from the groups in order to fulfill whatever that request was. All of that, had we done that just using traditional direct calls against Archer's APIs, probably would have been several hundred lines of code, if not more. It's a fairly involved process with a lot of back and forth activity happening. With Estrelica.Core, it was literally like an afternoon's worth of work. Maybe, I haven't done a line count on it, but I'm guessing probably 30 or 40 lines worth of code. Estrelica.Core is available through CastleHill Software's NuGet server. Information about how to download the package is available on our documentation website through the link below, and you can also find this information through our product listing on the Archer Exchange website. Estrelica.Core's NuGet package is accompanied by a Visual Studio solution that contains a handful of demo applications, and those will help you get started writing your own Archer integration applications. A trial license to start using Estrelica.Core is also available via request through our website at www.castlehillsoftware.com.